Hello and welcome guys, it's Sunday and I am back with my weekly video. This week I tried to DIY few showpieces for my home decor. If you are first time here in my channel, please do consider subscribing the channel to get weekly videos on home decor and easy DIY. And also do hit the notification bell icon. I searched a lot of art and craft tutorial videos in YouTube prior doing this. Among all, I found a channel named Kalyani's Corner, which was just incredible. Kalyani is a great artist, and with her inspiring videos on showpiece DIY, I tried my hands on this deer head and giraffe showpiece. Well, this is my first attempt, so there will be several mistakes, but still I hope you guys will enjoy watching me crafting these decor pieces. Things I collected to do this is a cardboard, newspaper, aluminium foil and aluminium wire cutting tool, a masking tape, Fevicol glue gun and wall putty or white cement, crafting clay and acrylic metallic colors. So I'll play some music now and write the steps on the screen for you while I make the deer head. Let's get started. So that's how I created this wall hanging deer skull or deer face decor piece. Now for these two racks where these glass candles are kept now, I needed some new decoratives, so I went ahead with crafting two giraffe showpieces. And that completes my DIY for today. These three pieces gives a new look to my wall panel. I completely enjoyed crafting out these decor pieces. If you guys have also enjoyed today's video, please do like it and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell icon to get all the updates of my weekly videos. That's all for today, guys. I'll come back next week with another set of home furnishing and home decor ideas. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, enjoy your weekends, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.